This year, in the US alone, non-core spend will amount to $30 billion. So what can feel like a trickle really does add up. At Workrise, we replaced the 8 or more tools operators use to manage the process from sourcing new vendors to paying for completed work with a singular source-to-pay solution. With clean, auditable vendor data in one place, everything changes. You can now view spend by service category, anytime, anywhere, and easily identify outliers for follow-up. Invoices matching the work order are verified and paid automatically with oversight by your team and complete visibility into the process. And if a vendor falls below your compliance thresholds, both you and the vendor are notified to maintain the highest levels of compliance. Managing non-core vendors is a drag on every department. Imagine what your team could do if managing the unmanageable was taken off their plates.